Hi, my name's Blake and I've been having trouble with the Wii U, but now it's working. Thanks to the Nintendo helpline. They send an email to you when you call them. So it is for Australia 0397309822 for calling them, and New Zealand is 0800743056. Yeah, so it's really good and no one's complained, and they have a lot of information on their email. So keep up my views and subscribe, and here is my Wii U having an update right now. See right there. And yeah, so I'll leave the phone numbers in the description below if you want to have a look at them again without watching the video again. So see you later. Bye.